Hello everybody, this is Tasty Tuesday Tip. So today I'm going to come to you with a quick product review. Now I normally come with a recipe or some simple easy recipe budget for the recipe, but I decided to do a product review. I tried this new product and it's called Nut Butter Bites. You see that? And my husband found these somewhere, and I'm a big fan of peanut butter. And if you follow my recipes, you know I do energy balls, oats. I do those easy, simple, budget-friendly recipes with peanut butter. But these, I just decided to come on and just tell you about these. And it has 6 simple ingredients, gluten-free, preservative-free, and vegan. Very tasty. I will give it an A. If I had to say A, B, or C, I would give it an A. So this is something you can put in your purse. You can put in your backpack. You can put in your bag. Grab and go. You know, you need something. You maybe want to go a lot on the road, but you need something you can just have. This would be a little snack to try. So that's all I want to come on and just talk about this particular product. So don't forget to check out www.stepsforchange.net for more recipes, more snack ideas, more healthy steps for you. Also, my book, Tasty Tuesday Tip, available. And you can get that at www.stepsforchange.net as well. So I hope y'all have a great day. And take care of yourself. Keep taking steps to where you want to be. I will see ya.